let's just get this thing done. Good morning, guys. It's a relatively chilly morning in South Africa, middle of summer, or maybe towards the end of summer. The rain has been pretty torrential over the last couple of weeks. This is quite an early morning for me, just back from the States, and the jet lag is hitting me quite hard. So let me do some cleanup in the garage and get back to work. So today what I want to do is put together backing plate here, I don't know what you call it, onto the Beetle gearbox, onto the side shaft. So I'm pretty excited to get this side started. I don't think I will assemble all the brake components yet. I think that can be done after the other side shaft is on and the other backing plate is on. Alright, cool, let's get to work. Okay, so I've made a bugger up. This side shaft is on the wrong side, so that means taking this off, destroying the gaskets and re-putting that on. So I guess you live and learn. I did actually have them marked correctly, I just took the wrong one. Right, and the other thing I forgot to put on was that rubber seal that goes around there. Okay, cool, whatever. That is slightly irritating, but we will get through this. Okay, so basically we are now back to where we started about 15 minutes ago. Cool. I think it's important to realize that if you make a mistake, that this stuff is actually really easy to fix, right? So I wouldn't get too bummed out if something goes wrong. Just take it apart, put it back together, learn something, and there was an opportunity to put that seal back, or put the seal back. Okay, that must point to the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use my new favorite tool. I'm going to heat this bearing up and let it slide over the shaft, and I'm going to push it all the way in. Okay, so luckily I have the spare gearbox, and you can see that the bearing does stick out a bit, so that's okay. Okay, so I was wrong. Bearing definitely isn't far enough on. Right, so as you can see here, there's not 10 millimeters of solid shaft sticking out of that bearing, so it means the shaft has to be pulled up through that bearing still. Okay, so that's damn silly. The other axle's turning and I'm finding it very difficult to hold on to the vice grip and turn the nut at the same time. So what I think I'm going to do is install the other side shaft. The other side shaft will be in place. Then maybe it'll be easier to get a hold on the other side of the splines, and I can possibly attach the drum brake to hold it better. And then we'll squeeze the bearings in after being heated. Good plan.